inhibitors, statins, selectively block an enzyme named HMG-CoA reductase, 3-hydroxy-3-methylglutarate coenzyme A reductase, which is contributed in the combustion of mevalonate and this functions as a precursor of sterols containing cholesterol. Anyway, by blocking this enzyme, cholesterol as well, LDL cholesterol synthesis is declined. Statins also elevate LDL receptors number on liver cells, which promotes the uptake as well as breakdown of LDL cholesterol. Nearly most of the statins effects happen in the liver. Survey has presented that high standards of total apolipoprotein B, cholesterol and LDL cholesterol are risk agents for enhancing cardiovascular illness. Statins may be utilized in the therapy of hyperlipidemia, also known dyslipidemia or elevated cholesterol, and are most efficient at decreasing LDL cholesterol. Trade names of drugs which contain atorvastatin in Palestine and their composition as demonstrated by PanMedic. Trovan, it is found as 10, 20, 40, and 80 mg in each tablet. It is manufactured by Pharmacare and its dosage form is tablet. Lipidix, it is found as 10, 20, 40 mg in each tablet. It is manufactured by BZ and it is found as tablet dosage form. Liponil, it is found as 10 or 20 mg in each tablet, manufactured by G-Pharm and it's available as tablet dosage form. Lulip, it is found as 10, 20, 40 or 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Bergela and dosage form is tablet. Atorvastatin, Teva, we have 10, 20, 40 and 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Teva, dosage form is tablet. Lipitor, it is found as 10 and 20 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Pfizer and we have tablet dosage form. Drug information concerning atorvastatin. Therapeutic index, hypolipidemic agents. Drug and food interaction, grapefruit, it increases the amount of drug in the bloodstream. Drug-drug interaction, digoxin, erythromycin, clarithromycin, and itraconazole. Side effects, muscle weakness, headache, thinness, and dizziness. Pregnancy category is D. Trade names of drugs which contain simvastatin in Palestine and their composition as demonstrated by PanMedic. Simvastatin, we have 10, 20, 40, and 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Teva and dosage form is tablet. Simovil, we have 10, 20, 40, and 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by MSD and dosage form is tablet. Simvaxone, it is found as 10, 20, 40, or 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Dexon, dosage form is tablet. Simvacor, it is found as 10, 20, 40, or 80 mg in each tablet, manufactured by Uniform and dosage form is tablet. Drug information concerning simvastatin. Therapeutic index is hypolipidemic agent.